Good morning, students. Last day we have discussed the topic electric power and its SI unit. Now today we will discuss the topic commercial unit of electrical energy. Commercial unit of electrical energy. Commercial unit of electrical energy is kilowatt hour. In short, we can write kWh. Commercial unit of the electrical energy is kilowatt hour. Now, how many joules in 1 kilowatt hour? So, 1 kilowatt hour, which is equal to 1 kilowatt into 1 hour. Now, 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt into how many seconds in 1 hour? 60 into 60 seconds. So this is equal to 6 is 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. 10 to the power 5 watt second. In scientific notation, 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 and watt second is equivalent to joule. So 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. Now here in solving the numericals, the 1 kilowatt hour is considered to be 1 unit. Now how do you define the term this kilowatt hour, 1 kilowatt hour? One kilowatt hour is the electrical energy consumed by an electrical appliance of power 1 kilowatt when it is used for 1 hour. How to define the term 1 kilowatt hour? That is 1 kWh. 1 kWh or 1 kilowatt hour is the electrical energy consumed by an electrical appliance whose power is 1 kilowatt when it is used for 1 hour. Now, how many joule in 1 watt hour? 1 watt hour. 1 watt hour is equal to 1 watt into 1 hour. So 1 watt, how many seconds in 1 hour? 3600 seconds. So here 3600 watt second. In scientific notation, 3.6 into 10 to the power 3 watt second, that is joule. So 1 watt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 3 joule. Now how to define the term 1 watt hour? 1 watt hour is the electrical energy consumed by an electrical appliance of power 1 watt when it is used for 1 hour. This is the definition of 1 watt hour. Now we can solve the various problems which is based on the electrical energy. So what is the formula for the electrical energy? Electrical energy consumed, that is E is equal to power into time. That is E is equal to PT. This is the important formula to solve the numericals. Now we can solve the one example by using this formula. One question is, one electric motor takes 5 ampere current from a 220 volt supply line. Calculate the power of the motor and electrical energy consumed by it in 2 hours. Now, how would you solve this question? An electric motor takes 5 ampere current, potential difference 220 volt supply line. Calculate the power of the, first to find out the power, then electrical energy when it is used for 2 hours. So what is the solution of this question? Here current I is given 5 ampere. Potential difference is equal to 220 volt and time T is equal to 2 hours. So first you have to find the, calculate the power. So power P is equal to formula VI. Here potential difference is given 220. So 220 into current is 5 ampere. So this is equal to 22 5 ja 100, 10 10 11 100. And what is the SI unit of power? Watt. And when it is divided by 1000, then it becomes kilowatt. So here 0200 cancel, which is equal to 1.1 kilowatt. This is the answer of the first part. find the power. Now you have to find the electrical energy. Electrical energy, all of you know the formula, E is equal to power into time. What is the power here? 1100 watt, and time is 2 hours. So here 2200 watt hour. When it is divided by 1000, 1000, then it becomes kilowatt hour. 200 cancel, so 2.2 kilowatt hour. This is the answer of this question. So you can solve these types of question from any reference book. Thank you.